So when we click on new, this is a normal, like I've just created a lookup price rule, which is based on account and opportunity details. Evaluation scope is calculator, so we would be always using calculator instead of configurator, because on calculator is the part where we create the price rules. Configurator is the product selection. I want my evaluation scope calculator evaluation event to be on calculate, and this evaluation order is the order in which the price rules will be evaluated. Status is active, all conditions are met. This I have created. This is a lookup object, so I will just show it to you how it looks like. If you go into setup, under object manager, so this is a custom object which I have created, under which I have created some more fields with the name as price and type. These are the two fields. Type is there, and then we have one industry. So I will show where it is reflecting on my, when we are, what we say, when we are connecting to the fields, where this field actually is on the code. If I go back onto here, I'll see that I have one table created. So I have a couple of values on my table. So this is my default value, which is auto generated, and then I have industry and type. So I can create one more. So if I choose an industry, say entertainment, price I'll say do 200. So I think I have all the combinations. We cannot have duplicate ones. So if there are duplicate, it will show us an error. So I don't want that. This entertainment is new customer. Yeah, so it is a unique one. So this is how we can go ahead and create. Now, if I go back over here, I've created one price condition. So on my price condition, what I am doing, basically, I'm checking what is the product code we are mapping it to. So based on my product code only, when I'm selecting a certain product with a product code, which is iPhone 15, then only my price rule will work. So it is purely based on what product I choose. So I'm just comparing or checking what is my product code on my code lines over here. If my product code is iPhone 15, then my price rule should fire. After that, I have some lookup queries. So on my lookup query, if I will open it up, so I've created two. So it will be checking two values. So my first lookup query is checking a tested field. So it is on code. If I open up my code, so it is checking account industry. So this is the field that is being checked. This is a formula driven field. You cannot go and update it automatically. If you go and click on it, it says it is calculated upon save, which means whatever industry is there on my account record. So if you go to my account, you will see industry as government. If I change it over here and click on save, so now on my account, I have updated the industry as entertainment. If I go back onto my code and refresh it, my account industry will be updated over here as well. You can see it is done. In the same way, the next field is opportunity type. So this is on your opportunity. So this is my opportunity over here. On my opportunity as well, I have a type field which is new customer. If I change it to something different, what fields I have taken for entertainment existing customer downgrade. So if I choose this and click on save and go back to my code over here and refresh it, my opportunity type field will be auto updated. So we are checking these two fields. So it will check what is my account industry on my code field, and it will compare it with the industry field which I have it over here. That is the pick list value. So on my pick list, I have created the pick list with same values what I have updated over there. So I have only taken pick two. There are many more, but I have only taken two of them. So if it is government or entertainment, then only it will work. And same goes with my other one, which is my opportunity type. It will be comparing with my type field. So over here, if I go back, so type is another pick list, and I have taken all the 4 options which are available there. Now, basically what it will do, it will run on this condition, it will compare these values, and it will do an action. So what action it will do is, if I open up the action, it will update the list price. You will see on quote line, we are targeting the list price field, which should be sourcing from the price. So over here, I have one field which is, yeah. Hello?
Yeah, it's clear, Vinay. Yeah, I can get it now. Yeah.
Yeah. So I have a field which is price. If I go back over here, you can see I have updated the prices over here. So that is what it will do. So if we go back to our, and open up a code, and go to edit lines. You can see my product has a price value of 500.
Mm-hmm.
But if I click on select that particular product, you can see it is showing 150. Why it is showing 150? Because based on my condition over here,
If it belong to that particular industry and other things, right? Yeah, that's
industry
right. Yeah,
and
yeah. And
opportunity type
opportunity type
is,
was, yeah.
so this is, if the industry is this and opportunity type is this, the price should be 150. That's the
Okay,
reason it is showing 150 over here.
okay.
So
Yeah, now
what
it's
is
clear.
the basic need? Basic need to do a lookup is, I don't need to create product options for that. That is the first thing. I don't need to have additional price books. Say, for example, if you have businesses in different parts of a particular country,
Mm-hmm.
like East region, West, and there are different prices which you are selling the same product for, you can have the prices based on the region as well. Or if it is for a different client, if it is a a loyal customer, you can do a different price. If it is a new customer, you can do a different price. So that is helpful. Instead of creating product options, creating price books, I can create a lookup. I've created it for one product. We can do for an entire set of products, and it will be running smooth as this.
Yeah.
Now we will be moving ahead to discount schedules.
Yeah.
Close extra windows, and we will go and look for discount schedules. Now over here, there are basically two types of discount schedules are there. One
Yeah.
is a slab discount.
Vinay, sorry, can you just give me 1 second? I'm just writing down. I mean, why?
Yeah, sure,
Just give
sure.
me 1 second. Yeah.
Yeah.
One is for the price book and additional price book and okay. Yeah. Yeah. Go on. Yeah.
So in discount schedules, there are two types of discount schedules. One is a slab discount and other one is a range discount. In both of these discounts, we can either provide discount with a percentage value or we can provide a discount with an amount. So what is the difference between a slab and a range? So if I show it to you. So say for example, I have one product and I say if anybody is buying a product between a range of 1 to 10, I'll offer 0% discount. If it goes from 11 to 20, then I'll offer 5%. Then 21 to 30, I'll say 10%. Then 31 to 40, it is 15% discount. And 41 to 50, it is 20%. That is the maximum again. And beyond 51, there is nothing. There's no discounts. Like whatever is to say 51, and this is no ended. So anything beyond 51, it is eligible for 25% discount. So this is I've created the starting. So in slab, what will happen wherever there is a slab discount? This is the slab. If a user is buying 25 products, it will fall under this. So what it will do is how the system will calculate. So 0 to 10, there is no discount. Then it will say 11 to 20, there is 5% discount being offered. Then 21 to 25, there are only how much? 5 products. So on 5 products, 5 units, the discount will be at 10%. This is how it will be calculated if it is a slab. But if it is a range, what will happen? You're buying 25 units. System will see 25 units, it falls under this category and it will directly apply 10% discount to all the units. It will not calculate like this. That is the difference between slab and a range based discount. Is it clear? Any questions to this?
No, it's clear.
Okay. So I've already created one range percent discounts. I will show it. This is a descriptive name for us to identify what the name should be. And here I can see that I have taken type as range and then it is a percent based.
Vinny, can you just click on, can you just click on the edit button for type and,
Yeah.
I mean, when you just go through
I'll
the
show
field,
it to
right?
you.
Can you just click on
I'll show
edit
it to you.
so you'll see the options?
So here we'll create a slab based discount. So this is my slab base slab discount, and this is for percent. Now in type you will see range and slab. So whatever we are choosing, I'll choose that. Discount unit, either you do percent or amount. You that is also giving price, but usually that is not used. It is percent or it is amount. That is what we use. Description, you can give a description what this discount schedule is doing, that you can mention over here. Now if you go to aggregation scope, you will see either it is a code or a group. So you can apply particular discount on a certain group of products which are there on your quote line, or if you want to apply the discount on the entire quote, you can do that. Now we have some other fields. The first one is cross products. So in cross products, whenever you are choosing cross products, it should always be your range based discount. With slab discount, your cross products will not work. Cross products means if you have if you are adding same type of products in different quote lines, so it will not only calculate one line, but it will see all the other quote lines as well while taking into consideration. That is for cross products. Are you able to follow this?
Yeah. So how do you determine like among the quote lines, right? All this are grouped under like similar type. How So I
Say
mean
for
you said
example,
that same type of products in the quote line, right? So I mean how does like
so
how do
it
we
will
know that this
apply
is
to
the
same type of products also. It will apply for different type of products also.
okay?
If I am selecting a product over here, so whenever you are creating range-based discount over here, if you come to any product, you will see Salesforce CPQ discounting. Click on it. So you have discount schedule over here. You have term discount schedule over here. So whenever you are creating a range-based discount, you can add your range-based discount over here as well. You can add your range-based discount on term discount schedule as well. But if you are creating your slab-based will not go with term-based discount. Term is for only subscription products. So slab-based discount will not, if you are creating a slab-based, you should never do it over here. It will always come on discount schedule. But range you can do anywhere.
Okay. Mhm.
So now I have added range percent discount at 2. And if I open this, so you will see I have created 2 tiers only. That is 1 to 10 is 0%, 11 to 20 is 5%. If I go on to my code over here and add the products, and I'm saying sorry, first products. You will see that now there is only one quantity, so it is not going over here. If I add the quantity, if I do 5 quantities over here and say 6 quantities over here, so now it comes as 11. So if I click on it, you will see the discount is applied. That is my cross product. Are you able to see
Okay.
that?
Yeah. Okay.
So if I go back to my tiers over here, what it is. So if it is more than 11, sorry, more than 10, then 5% discount will be applicable. So if I see, both comes to 11. 5% over here, 5% over here. That is the discount if they have provided. So
Yeah.
that is what
So I
happens
mean,
if it is a
yeah, I understand this cross product. So I'm asking like how it determines in the back end, right? Like these two are cross products. These two are like similar product, or it's like cross products.
no. When you check this checkbox,
Okay.
and if it is a range-based discount, you check this checkbox. Even if you are choosing, so on this product, particular product, I have highlighted, I have applied this discount. That is the reason it is capturing those particular data. If you remove it, it will not capture that. So I have created a discount schedule wherein it should see or calculate whatever products are being added if it goes beyond the tiers.
Yeah.
So you'll see my tier over here is 1 to 10. But
So if you disable that cross product, what will happen? That's what I'm
if
asking.
I disable the cross product, it will not provide you with the discount. If I go over here, if I disable the cross product, there will not be a discount, because then what it will see is, it will see, okay, on these two products, that is USB key and tablet case, I have still added my discount schedule, but it will be calculating their quantities individually. So my tier starts with, if the quantity is more than 10, then only you
Okay.
should
Okay.
provide a
Okay.
discount. But right now the quantity is 6 and 5, then it will not provide a
So it
discount.
will
So if
combine.
I
Okay.
go,
So if you, yeah, if you enable, it combines. If you don't enable, it
if
calculates individually.
it will not
Okay.
combine, and it will only work on your range based discount, it will not work on your slab base.
Okay.
Because on range, it will only capture the total. But in slab, what happens? It will first see the value if it's falling in one tier. So if it is, say, on second or third tier, so which value to capture, which value to ignore, that is what a challenge in slab. So it does not work with slab, it will only work with your range base.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah.
Cross orders is if you want to ensure that you have done a previous purchase, and that previous purchase also should be considered for a discount. That is when you select this cross order. If I want, say, I have purchased 20 quantities and I got a discount of say 5%, and now next day I'm again purchasing 30 quantities. So what should I do to get a discount? So I'm still getting a discount 30 on 30 quantities, but what I want is I want a much more discount than that. So what I'll do, I'll combine that to get a discount of 50 quantities. So this is what I'm giving you an example. But if it is lesser than the range, say you first day you bought 5, and next day you bought say 10. So on 10 you're getting discount, but if you club those 5, you'll get some additional much more discount. That is for cross orders. Include in bundled quantities is if you are getting a discount for if you want to apply this particular discount on options, or if the quantities are getting under bundled products, that is when you select this checkbox. Is it clear up till here?
Yeah, it's clear.
Perfect. So I'll just create this slab based discount. So I've created this, I've created it on amount, not on percentage. Once I've created this, what I'll do, I'll go and create the discount tiers over here. So I'll click on edit tiers. So it will open up a window. So over here you will see that the discount is showing in rupees. But if I go on to my range, click all, you will see it is showing in percentage. That is the section I have updated.
Okay.
So it purely depends upon if you are choosing amount, it will show in rupees. So I'll say it is 1 to 10. With no discount. What is the discount of uh, 31? So after 31, the discount of the will be 15. I'll just click on save. I've created a slash discount. I'll copy this, go on to my comment, edit it, and remove this range and select the slab based discount. Now I have a range based discount and I have a slab based discount over. If I go on to back my code, remove the lines, refresh it once. Over here, if I say 20, so I'll say this has 20 products and slab based slab based also I'll do 20. So you'll see that when I have done 10 over here, so whatever is 5%, they have entirely applied 5%. They don't do 10 and 10 like that. So you'll see the difference over here. The net unit price comes to 38. 5% of 40 would be 8. Sorry, 2. So they have applied the price over here. Now if you'll see 20 and over here 20, so 20 falls over here. So 1 to 10, there will be no discount. On 10 to 20, there will be discounted for 5. So if I go back onto my code, so 20 into 20 is 400, and on 10, 5 is 50. So that is the unit price over here. This is a difference between calculation, how it happens.
Okay.
Any questions up till here?
No, clear.
Now if I go back onto my discount schedule, this will see. Yeah. Now I'll just explain you something. So over here, you will see advanced settings. So under advanced settings, the first field you will see that is an override behavior. So whatever we have created on my slab based discount or on my range based discount over here, that is in this particular tier. Now, if I want, like whenever my sales team is offering, like by default, the discount which is there, the customer says that I need some more extra of whatever you are offering. If I want my sales team to have that ability to override what is already created, I can do it from it. If I want, they are able to override all the tiers, which means they can edit both of them. Say for example, if a customer is buying 9 quantities and we are providing 0 discount, but it says, okay, I'm buying 9, at least provide me with some discount. My sales team can edit this here and provide them with a discount. If I have updated this field, if I want all of them, they can edit both the tiers. If I want only the current tier means whatever is the quantity they would be buying. If they are buying 9, my sales team would be only able to edit the first one.
Yeah,
If they
whatever
are
is on
buying
the
15,
code, the quantity on the code, they would be, I mean, only
be
that
able to edit
tier
only
would.
that particular tier.
Okay.
That
Okay.
is the current tier. So if we check this checkbox, it identifies whether the schedule was created by an end user, which means if the sales team has created it, sorry, if the sales team has created it, or if the admin, that is the person who is drafting this, that has been created. If we are check this checkbox, use price for amount, they would be the price. The user defined discount schedule will be set to the price. That is whatever price is there, that would be set based upon our discount schedule. Now, if whenever we are
Sorry, Vinay,
providing
can you just explain? Sorry, I'm a little bit lost on this. Use price for amount. What is that exactly?
so if we check this checkbox, it says if checked, the user defined discount schedules discount unit will be set to price, which means whatever unit you are providing the discount, the price which you have set against which the product you are applying the slab discount to whichever product, whatever price is there, it will be set to the discount schedule. Say for example, product ABC has a price of 100, and if you check the checkbox, my discount schedule will be for 100. That is a 100% discount.
Okay.
Okay. Now, whenever we allow our sales team to edit the or override the existing discounts tiers which we have, what our system does it will capture the account which is there on the quote, it will capture the quote which is there over here, and it will also capture the quote line for which the edits were done. This is mainly due to identify what was initially built and then why a discount is being provided. So this I will show it to you how it works.
Mm-hmm.
And what was the original discount schedule, it will populate over here. If I go over here, so there is the first field which is says constrained. So select the field you want to match against the same field. If constraining any of the field against which I want my discount schedule to be matching, or
Okay. Mm-hmm.
if I don't do that, I can price scale is it is up to 2 decimal places. So quote line, my discount schedule basically works on quantity. If my quantity increases, there should be a discount. But if you want any other field to be a deciding factor, you can choose that particular field from over here. You
Okay.
will see there are few more fields over here which says excluded price book IDs or product or price book. So these three fields work in conjunction. If you
Mm-hmm.
want my discount schedule to work certain products, but it should not apply to certain price book IDs, I can mention my price book IDs over here.
Mm-hmm.
If I have slab discount schedule to work on which product, I can select my product from here as well, or I can go on to my product and select the discount schedule. It is one and the same thing. If I
Okay.
choose it from here or choose from there,
Mm-hmm.
from the product, I can if I want it to work on which price book. If I have a special price book created, like a standard price book which has all the prices, but I want to provide a discount on my standard price book on this particular product, I can choose that.
Mm-hmm.
So this is what it is. I'll show how we go and create that. So basically I'll mark it as, first I'll mark it as all. So here you will see that my product is added, and if you scroll down the right, you will see a table which says $sign. If you click on it, it takes some time to load. It is a discount schedule editor, something like this. So over here you will see that it is showing I have done all, so you can see that it is allowing me to edit all of them. So I can go and add. If I just click on it and just refresh and add it once again. Yes, so now I'll say I have it is of 25. And open my discount schedule. So here my discount, I can see it is on. I can change it if I want, provide it in. So I can see the price as well over here. So over here I have an amount. So if I want to edit this one, so right now it is falling and 2020. So basically it is over here. But if I want, say I want to edit this one, I just put a plus sign. I'll select it and click on update. So instead of 5, if I say I want to change it to 7, so 11 to 20 will be calculating 7%, and then I click on update. So once I do update, it has got updated and it will, I'll click on save. So once you see, it is now updated, and if I click on save, so this is my quote line which is there. And if I go back and this one, and it will get updated over here. Okay. First, I think I need to save, then I can go back where edit lines. Open this, change it from 5 to 7, click on update. I saved that, and then I click on save. Why it is not picking up the details?
So, Vinay, maybe can you just, like correct this? Maybe we can come back to this tomorrow. You can check
Yeah,
that. We can just go to the next one and then we'll come back to
yeah,
this on this tomorrow. Yeah.
yeah. So
Account
this is
code
the
and quote
only
line.
thing, the last part
Mhm.
of what we do on the discount
Discount
schedules.
schedule. So this account quote and the quote line, like we'll see it tomorrow.
Yeah,
So